All right, let's continue with another Nomad Scout video for creating little money 3D assets. So let's finish this off, or take this off, and we are gonna do, what's a good, let's do like this little brick right here with the three dots. So that money brick. So yeah, right. Let's see. Create, do a little box, make it bigger like this, like that, and validate. And then duplicate that, make it smaller, bring it up, make it smaller like that. That's pretty good. Okay. Then we're gonna subtract this one from that one. So turn that off right here, visibility, and then do a voxel merge right like that. And then we can add another cylinder, make it super thin like this. Go to top. Okay, that's not bad. All right. And then a little smaller. And then we can kind of line it up as best we can. So validate and duplicate this, duplicate, oh, too many times. That's pretty good. It's about even enough. All right, and oh, let's select this and make it a little bigger like this, just a little. All right, so now we have our money brick, and let's combine everything. So do a voxel merge, resolution, let's see, 100. Oh, not that much. Like maybe, and then voxel merge. Keep sharp edges, turn that on. Maybe that'll help us with having to do some edge fix up. Ooh, the edges are nice. Look at that. Resolution isn't terrible too. All right, so we gotta start doing that, and that'll help us. All right, go to X and Y plane, and then put local. And now we can do our smoothing. Smoothing is 60 or so, and radius is pretty 50 or below. All right. Actually, we didn't really need to do much of fixing there. Maybe just right here. Yeah. Wow, all right. That really didn't do much damage. All right, fix this up right here. Smooth that out. Right here a little bit. All right. All right, looks good. All right. Now, oh, let's just do the UV unwrap real fast. Let's rename it Gold Money Brick. So we would say this is like 3 times as much as that single gold brick or gold bar, right? And then right here, and UV unwrap. Just gonna take a little bit. This does not look 100% horrible, but yeah. If we wanted a better UV map, like I said, we'd bring it into Blender or other 3D modeling software so we could break this a little better. And we will do that at the end of making all our assets, just so I can show you, some way to fix up the UV unwrap and maybe texture them a different way, make them look a lot nicer and create a really nice scene. Then let's paint gold. Right here. Actually, just force paint it all. See, it's nice. All right. So we're done here. Ooh, pretty. All right. And we'll see you in the next video. And let's continue to create money assets.